Hi, I will talk now about equilibrium. If we have this system, which is a mass hanged by this string at this point, and we have a string connected to this point, another string connected to this point. This angle is 60, this angle is 60. We have also the mass is 2 kilograms. So the weight of this mass is mg will be 19.6 newtons. Because we have equilibrium now, we have total forces acting at this point on this mass is equal to 0. This is the weight to this direction. We need to consider our xy plane. This is x and this is y, like this. At this point, we have this tension force, which is T1, and this is T2. And we have the total forces are equal to 0. The force is equal to total forces in x I hat plus the total forces in y j hat. Now the total forces in x, we have T1 cosine or sine, I don't know. Okay, let us look at our theta. This theta and this theta. This theta is 60. Because of that, this is 60 and this is 30. This theta, because I know this one, this is triangle, this is 30. So this is 30 and this is 60. I can use the cosine or the sine. If I need to use this angle, which is 60, then this component is T1 sine 60. Okay, we have at the negative x direction, I have T2 sine theta 2. Theta 2, this one, which is 30. This is F on x axis, and this is the forces on y axis. I have the weight downward in this case. Okay, I need to find T1 and T2. Okay, I have two equations. From the first one, I have T1 sine theta 1, which is 60, minus T2 sine 30 equal to 0. I can move this to the opposite side. Then it will be T1 sine 60, this is just a number, is equal to T2 sine 30, which is a half. Okay, this is T2 multiplied by a half. Just multiply by 2, the both sides. 2 will cancel with 2. Then T2 is equal to 2 T1 sine 60. I can't find it. 2 sine 60 is equal to 1.73 T1. This is T2. I can use it here in the second equation. So T1 cosine theta 1 is 60. Cosine 60 is half. From the second equation, plus T2, this is T2, which is this one, which is this one, which is plus 1.73 T1, cosine theta 2, cosine 30 is equal, minus the weight. The weight is 19.6 is equal to 0. I can take this as a common factor, T1, 0.5, which is half, plus 1.73 cosine 30 is equal, I can move this to the opposite side, it will be positive 19.6. Then T1 is equal to 19.6 over this thing, pointer plus 1.73 cosine 30, which is almost 2. Okay, 19.6 over 2. This is T1, 9.8 newtons, and just multiply it by 1.73. Put it here. T2 is equal 1.73 T1, which is equal to 16.954, almost 17 newtons. In this case, you can find by using the x components, the y components, and just solve the equations just like that.